Hey, I'm Megan, and this is 10 microeducation apps in 10 days. It's a self-imposed challenge where I build one tiny, functional, shareable app every single day for 10 days straight.
So fun fact I learned today, you can actually create and deploy apps in AI Studio. So if you go to aistudio.google.com/apps, you'll see, let me actually show you. You will see options of apps they've already created that you can play with. You can start with a template. You can just type in here to tell it to do something. So I took what I had generated with Claude, which was a very detailed overview of what this build would be. So I started it with build me an AI photo app that blends two animals together using NanoBanana, and then I pasted in, or I may have uploaded it, the README that I had created initially that was going to go into the build that I was going to do from scratch. And when I hit run, it went through and it made me BeastBlend, the app that I'm trying to build. So I have it open in this other window. It didn't start like this, although it was very close. So it started, I don't think I can show you what it was without going back and like restoring something I don't want to. Or at least I don't know how to navigate this platform fully yet. I just know what I've done before. But when I produced it initially, it obviously didn't have the background. That's something I generated. And it wasn't using this text for the title. You can see I tried a couple things, but in the chat here, I told it to just use the font that I wanted. It's a like animal, like a playful animal font that obviously I wouldn't want to use for anything important like directions, but I put that as the app title, and then I had it replace the background with this video that I generated in Midjourney. So I just asked for this like very colorful scene, and then once I did that in Midjourney, I had it create the video clip that loops, and I uploaded it. I upload all my stuff to my Wix account, and then I linked it here, and I asked it to play it automatically and on loop, and it very easily did that. Then I saved my app, I connected it to GitHub, so I actually have a copy of that app there, and then I deployed it, and it deployed it as a Google Cloud Run service. So you do have to have a Google Cloud account, and you have to have billing set up, I believe. And I had all that already. Like I've used Google Cloud, the platform, quite often. So I just did that. I was able to go in to Google Cloud Run and set the domain I wanted to use. So I have this app as beastblend.edumated.com, and that's very similar to what I've done with my other builds. I had to set the DNS record in my domain provider, and it was pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and I have this working app. All right, here's our app. So it's pretty simple. You can go through and choose your animal that you want to combine. So let's say an alpaca and your second animal, and there's a whole long list that we have to choose from. Let's choose a hummingbird. I just saw that human was an option. That sounds terrifying. And then there are different vibes that you can choose. I don't think right now it is coded to do that much of a difference for the different vibes, but I might work on that in a minute. Let's just stick with whimsical. Select blend. I love this part where it gives you little facts that change as it's blending, and you know, we can read that out loud to our students. All right, here is our resulting animal. So a humming paca, and it gives a little biography, which is so cute. Like it has a little description of the animal, the traits, and it even tells you how you could come up with some ideas for the classroom. So I believe Share just copies this. Yeah, copies. You can download it, and that'll just download the image. You can create another, and it resets it. But this is so cute and so easy to make using AI Studio and just asking it to use NanoBanana in the app. So there we have it. This is day 5 build BeastBlend. Okay, so I've added the descriptions of the vibes, and I've asked it to inject it into the prompt when it's selected, and it's working. It's very cute. I'm trying to find a good example to show you. Let's just do cat, and let's go with cyberpunk, and let's run it. Oh my god, it's so cute. So it's still like, it's a very cute child-friendly style, but you can see that it's trying to inject the specific vibe that we chose. And again, so cute that it comes up with a biography. It even gives it traits, and you can download that image. You can create another one. If I wanted to make this a app that has authentication and storage, then you could save your creations. Like, there's so many options. Eventually too, I do want to create where you can upload your own images. Like, perhaps if the child has drawn 2 different images, you can upload them and tell the AI to combine it. Or you could potentially have the child upload their drawing of a hybrid animal and take that image and turn it into an AI generated image. There's so many options. This is so cool. I've had so much fun with this one.